Hey everyone, it's Your Name, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of interior design, but with a budget-savvy twist. Decorating your home is an opportunity to express your personality and create a comfortable environment that truly reflects who you are. But let's be real, the misconception that stylish decor demands significant expenditure often deters many from even starting. The truth is, with a few clever hacks and a bit of that DIY spirit, you can transform your space into a chic haven without draining your wallet. So if you're ready to unleash your inner interior designer without breaking the bank, stick around because I'm about to share 3 easy and affordable decor hacks that will completely elevate your space. All right, let's jump right into our first hack thrifted furniture makeovers. This is where the magic happens, transforming old, forgotten pieces into stunning, one-of-a-kind treasures. This is one of my all-time favorite ways to snag unique pieces with tons of character without spending a fortune. You never know what hidden gems you might find. It's like giving these pre-loved treasures a second chance to shine, and trust me, the transformation can be seriously amazing. The before and after shots are always so satisfying. First things first, we've got to go on a little treasure hunt. This is where the adventure begins. Hit up your local thrift stores, garage sales, maybe even browse online marketplaces. Each place has its own unique finds, so don't limit yourself to just one source. Keep your eyes peeled for furniture with good bones, solid construction, interesting shapes. Even if the current state is a little, shall we say, vintage. Look beyond the surface imperfections. Don't be afraid to see the potential beyond a few scratches or outdated finishes. Sometimes all it takes is a bit of imagination to see what a piece could become. Once you've found your diamond in the rough, it's time to give it a little TLC. This is where the real work and fun begins. Start by giving it a good clean. You'd be surprised what a little soap and water can do. This step is crucial to remove any dirt, grime, or old polish. Next, grab some sandpaper and give the surface a light sanding. This helps to smooth out any rough spots and prepares the surface for painting. This helps the paint adhere better, especially if you're dealing with a darker finish. A well-prepared surface is key to a professional-looking result. Now for the fun part, priming. This step is essential for ensuring that your paint goes on smoothly and lasts longer. Applying a primer is like creating a blank canvas for your paint. It covers up any old stains or colors and gives you a fresh start. It ensures an even and long-lasting finish, so don't skip this step. A good primer can make all the difference in the final look of your piece. Once the primer is dry, let your creativity run wild with paint. This is where you can really make the piece your own. Chalk paint is a great option. It's super user-friendly and often requires fewer coats. Plus, it gives a lovely matte finish that's perfect for vintage pieces. Remember to let each coat dry completely before applying the next. Patience is key here to avoid any smudges or uneven spots. To really give your thrifted find a modern makeover, consider swapping out the old hardware. This small change can have a big impact. New knobs or handles can make a world of difference. They can instantly update the look and feel of your piece. And finally, to protect all your hard work, seal the piece with a sealant, especially if it's going to be in a high-traffic area. This will help preserve the finish and keep it looking great for years to come. Here's a little tip. Don't be afraid to go bold with your color choices or experiment with patterns. This is your chance to create something truly unique. A statement piece can really inject personality into your space, so go ahead, have fun with it, and let your creativity shine. Now, let's talk about adding some personality to those bare walls with DIY wall art. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, creating your own wall art can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Not only does it allow you to express your unique style, but it also gives your home a personal touch that store-bought art simply can't match. This is a fantastic way to inject your own style into your space without spending a fortune on expensive artwork. You can use materials you already have at home or find affordable supplies at your local craft store. Plus, it's a fun and therapeutic creative outlet. Painting and creating art can be a great way to relax and unwind after a long day. It's a chance to let your imagination run wild and create something truly unique. First, choose your canvas. A traditional canvas works great, but you can also use sturdy cardboard for a budget-friendly alternative. You might even consider repurposing old materials like wood panels or fabric to create a more textured and interesting piece. Next, decide on your design. Geometric shapes, abstract art, inspirational quotes. The possibilities are endless. Take some time to sketch out your ideas and play around with different concepts until you find something that really speaks to you. If you're feeling stuck, browse online for inspiration or let your intuition guide you. Websites like Pinterest and Instagram are full of creative ideas that can spark your imagination and help you find your artistic voice. Once you have a design in mind, use painter's tape to outline the shapes or sections on your canvas. This technique is especially useful for creating sharp, clean lines and can help you achieve a more professional look. This will give you those crisp, clean lines and a professional-looking finish. Take your time with this step to ensure that your tape is applied smoothly and securely. Now it's time to grab your acrylic paints and start filling in those taped sections. Acrylics are a great choice because they dry quickly and come in a wide range of vibrant colors. Don't be afraid to play with contrasting colors to make your design really pop. Experiment with different color combinations and see what works best for your vision. Let the paint dry completely before carefully removing the painter's tape. This step requires patience, but it's worth it to achieve those perfect lines. And voila, you've got yourself a custom piece of art. Take a moment to admire your work and appreciate the effort you put into creating something special. If you want to give it a more polished look, consider framing it. A simple frame can elevate your artwork and make it look even more impressive. Here's a tip. Create a gallery wall by making multiple pieces with a cohesive theme or color palette. This can create a stunning visual impact and make your space feel more curated and intentional. It's a great way to fill a large wall space and add visual interest. So go ahead, unleash your inner artist and transform your home with your very own DIY wall art. Ambient lighting with DIY lanterns. Create a cozy glow. For our final hack, let's set the mood with some enchanting ambient lighting using DIY lanterns. These lanterns are perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere in any room, whether it's your living room, bedroom, or even your outdoor patio. They add a touch of magic and warmth that can transform any space into a serene retreat. These beauties add a touch of magic and warmth to any space, and the best part is they're incredibly easy and inexpensive to make. You don't need to be a crafting expert to create these lovely lanterns. With just a few simple materials and a bit of creativity, you can have your own set of glowing lanterns in no time. Start by gathering your supplies. You'll need mason jars, which are the perfect base for your lanterns. You can find these jars in various sizes and shapes, which adds a nice visual interest to your final product. Don't forget to give them a good wash and remove any labels or sticky residue to ensure they look their best. You'll need some mason jars. Various sizes and shapes can add visual interest. Once your jars are clean, it's time to get creative with the decorative elements. Adding a unique touch to the bottom of the jars can make your lanterns stand out even more. Give them a good wash and remove any labels or sticky residue. This step is crucial to ensure that your lanterns look polished and professional. Now, let's move on to the fun part, decorating. Now, let's add some decorative elements to the bottom of the jars. You can use pebbles, sand, or even colorful marbles to create a beautiful base for your lanterns. These elements not only add visual interest, but also help to stabilize your light source. Pebbles, sand, even colorful marbles can create a beautiful base for your lanterns. This not only adds visual interest, but also helps to stabilize your light source. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance the overall look of your lanterns. This not only adds visual interest, but also helps to stabilize your light source. Speaking of light sources, you have a couple of options to choose from. You can use traditional tea light candles for a classic, romantic glow, or opt for LED tea lights for a safer, longer-lasting option. Speaking of light sources, you can use tea light candles for a classic, romantic glow, or opt for LED tea lights for a safer, longer-lasting option. LED lights are especially great if you have kids or pets, as they eliminate the risk of fire. Place your chosen light source on top of the decorative base, making sure it's centered and secure. This step is important to ensure that your lanterns are both beautiful and functional. You don't want your light source to tip over or move around. To create a handle for your lantern, wrap some twine or wire around the mouth of the jar. This not only makes it easier to carry your lanterns, but also adds a rustic, handmade touch to your project. Make sure it's nice and tight and strong enough to support the weight of the jar. You don't want your beautiful lanterns to fall and break. Once the handle is secure, your lanterns are almost ready to shine. And there you have it. Your very own DIY lantern ready to cast a warm and inviting glow on your space. These lanterns are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a cozy night in or a festive gathering with friends and family. Your very own DIY lantern ready to cast a warm and inviting glow on your space. Here's a tip. For a more personalized touch, use colored glass jars or add a touch of paint to the outside of the jars. This can make your lanterns even more unique and special. Here's a tip. For a more personalized touch, use colored glass jars or add a touch of paint to the outside of the jars. You can even get creative with stencils or freehand designs. This is a great way to express your personal style and make your lanterns truly one of a kind. You can even get creative with stencils or freehand designs. Whether you prefer intricate patterns or simple shapes, the possibilities are endless. So go ahead, unleash your creativity and enjoy the warm, cozy glow of your DIY lanterns. And there you have it. 3 easy and affordable decor hacks to transform your home without breaking the bank. Achieving a stylish home doesn't necessitate extravagant spending. By embracing DIY projects and repurposing items, you can create a personalized space that reflects your taste and creativity. These 3 decor hacks demonstrate that with a bit of effort and imagination, budget-friendly decorating is not only possible but also immensely rewarding. Remember, the key to successful home decor lies in personalization and resourcefulness. So, gather your materials, unleash your creativity, and transform your living space into a stylish haven that doesn't strain your finances. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more budget-friendly decor ideas, and I'll see you in the next one.